Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the Forex analysis for 16th to 20th March 2026. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see, 1.17% negative move, 50.19.59 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week. Even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So yeah, this is a weekly chart. Currently in this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a medium upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is at around 5374 level, which is indicating as a slight negative momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Also, if you're interested to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even I have shared a link in the description where you can directly buy the course. Remember, these courses are not pre-recorded sessions. These are all one-on-one sessions where you can tell me, or in the weekends where I directly take a one-on-one session, live session. So if you are interested, do directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can use the link given in the description. So let's now talk about the closing first. Before that, important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. So let's straight away talk about the closing. 5019 is the closing here. The direct support is 5000. Direct resistance is 5051. After direct support, there is a support of 4940 and then 4895. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 5100 and then 5050. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. Also, if you're from India and thinking that these trades and these prop firms are very much strict by the rules, then you can also use the real or the live account of GTC FX. I have already given a link in the description of the broker, which is GTC FX. So you can even open an account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I am expecting a slight negative move which is in this range, that is 4940 to 5000. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range, but if there is a slight gap up or there is a flat opening and you want to go for a long trade only, then you can go for a long trade once 5051 gets breached and a 4 hour or a one day candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till this level, that is 5101. But remember, if you're going for any short trade, then you can go for a short trade once 4000 gets breached and a 4 hour or one day candle gets closed below this, then you can go for a good short level till this level, even for this level as well. So overall, my expectations are a bit negative in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.